Hey, welcome back everybody. DBougie86 here again. And I got another unboxing video. It's going to be a small one. Wanted to do it real quick. It's a package from my boy Goddilla. I actually sent him the cash through PayPal for this because it's a Canadian release. And I didn't want to really spend money on shipping, so he did me this favor. I actually have something coming in for him in the mail for shipping a few things out for me, which is awesome. This is one of them. He has another one coming on the way from him, I believe. And let's get into this. He actually taped this up very good, so I did get my trusty knife for this unboxing. So let's get into it. Dye tape. Dye tape. Dye. Tape it good. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. And we got ta-da! This is the Canadian release of Turbo Kid. It is put out by Raven Banner. And if you haven't seen this yet, it's actually a steelbook. But the cool thing about the steelbook, it comes with a slipcase. It is the art on the steelbook. And there's a slipcase that goes over it with like the facts of the film. I really dug this edition. I saw like photos of this, and I was like, I need to have this in my collection. It was going for like some crazy price on Amazon CA when I first saw it. I think it was like 26, and he said they had these at near him for like 23, so I sent him the $23. Pick it up. So he's an awesome dude for doing that, and thank you, Dylan, as usual. I know you sent me something else in the mail that will probably come next week. So when that comes, I'll be doing an unboxing on that too, because I believe that is another steelbook. So thanks again, Goddilla. You're wicked awesome. And to everyone else, peace out.